Hello everyone, in this video we'll tell you a story about our tropical marine ecology course field trip. Let's see how fun and exciting it was. Let's go! Before we go there, we need to make preparations first. We need to make sure everything is ready, such as logistic equipment, health, safety, and also what we are going to do once we are there. Here we're making some transect for the mangrove and coral reef ecosystem. The transect were made with plastic ropes that we measure according to needs. We made some 25-meter ropes for coral and 3 letter L transect for mangrove, which are different in sizes. There are 10 by 10 meters, 5 by 5 meters, and 1 by 1 meters transect for mangrove. After all the preparation is ready, off we go to Tidung Island.
Semuanya sama-sama kita berdoa supaya kita diberikan keselamatan, bisa diberikan kemudahan dalam membuat data nanti, dan bisa mendapatkan manfaat yang maksimal.
I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts.
After we arrive at Kali Adem port, we make sure that everything is ready and do a quick briefing before we cross the sea. We recheck everything important for this trip. Field trip. It might be familiar to students. A learning activity outside the classroom that involves visit to certain places related to the subject matter or a student interest. And guess where we're gonna go? Yup, Tidung Island, Kepulauan Seribu. Tidung Island is divided into two, Tidung Besar Island and Tidung Kecil Island, where Tidung Besar Island is more likely to be used as a tourist destination, while Small Tidung Island is more used as a place for conservation and research. Before we went to take some data, we do some briefing about how and what are we going to do. On this field trip, we will take samples of mangrove, seagrasses, coral reef, and marine debris spread across 4 stations. A mangrove ecosystem is a unique and critical coastal habitat found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. In this ecosystem, we use a transect land plot method to collect samples from mangrove ecosystem. This helps us track changes in the mangrove community and other living things there. The method provides detailed information about the type of plants, how the plants community is organized, and the total amount of plant matter in the mangrove. Notably, the most common type of mangrove tree in the Tidung Island is Rhizopora stylosa. This ecosystem also supports various animal life including gastropods. Mangrove ecosystems are essential for the health of our planet. They provide a variety of benefits including coastal protection, habitat for wildlife, water filtration, and climate change mitigation. Seagrass meadows contribute to human and ocean health. We study and sampling seagrass meadows to understand how these underwater communities change over time. We use a modified transect method called the quadrant transect method by Cormap Lippi, which combines elements from seagrass watch and established permanent transect. This method involves collecting samples from square area along set paths. Common seagrass species found in Tidung Island is Thalassia hemprichi. We also pay attention to the animal life associated with the seagrass, including the sea cucumber species, Synapta maculata. A coral reef ecosystem is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, rivaled only by tropical rainforest. They are underwater structures formed by colonies of coral polyps, tiny living organisms related to jellyfish and sea anemones. For the coral reef ecosystem, we use a method called PIT, or Point Intercept Transect, to gather ecological data and assess the health of coral reef on a small Tidung island. This method is popular because it's simple, efficient, and allows for easy analysis of data. The dominant hard coral life form on the island is diverse. There are coral massif, folios, Acropora tabulate, and Acropora branching. The reef ecosystem also supports various animal life, including reef fishes, clams, and sea urchins, Echinoidea. Following our field trip, we analyzed and presented the data we had gathered about all of the ecosystems. A question and answer session concluded the event, allowing for further discussion about the field trip activities. That's one short recap of Marine Science and Technology IPB University field trip. Hope it's useful and entertaining for you all. There are more trips awaits us, and see you later in the next field trip.
I'll find my